So let's look at NECO 2026 Agricultural Science. We are taking question 1 to 60. So let's go with the objective section first. Question 1 says the complete cross-section of soil from each surface down to the parent rock is referred to as profile. It's something like this with different sections. It's called the profile. Number 1 is C. Then number 2, say the soil drainage involve the removal of excess water from the subsoil using if you want to remove drainage or excess water from the subsoil, you are going to use a feed drain, no, surface outlet, no, pump outlet, no, open dishes, no, it's perforated pipes. That is the easiest way to do it and the most efficient way to do it, perforated pipe. Number 3, it's a farm account. Farm record and account help a farmer to manage his farm, usually adopting farming techniques, no, advise his fellow farmer, no, identify marketing, but in person, no. The answer is A. Number 3 is A. Let's look at number 4. Yes, this is question 4. Question 4, we have the most important factor that determines the rate of agricultural development in a country is A, quantity of agrochemicals provided by industry, no, provision of raw material to agro industry, no, number of machineries available, no, farmer readiness to adopt new innovations. Yes. Number 4 is D. Number 5 said the maturity period of rubber after establishment on a field between rubber is rubber take 7 to 9 years. 3 to 0, no, is 7 to 9 years before they become matured. For those who are used to rubber farming, you should know that. So the breaking down of rocks to form soil by the activities of plant and animal over time is known as weathering. The answer is C, is weathering. Number 7, Bryophyllum is an ornamental plant that propagates by its A, roots, flower, leaves, stem, stolon. The answer is leaves. It propagates by leaves. Number 8. Agricultural produce usually required in large quantity in brewery as raw material. We have the soya beans. We have the millet, cotton, carrot is soya beans. Number 8 is A. Number 9. An example of a stratified rock is, we have the gabbro, the derolite, the dolomite, we have the basalt and the granite. The answer is dolomite, which is C. Number 10, so the most important factor that affects agricultural production in Nigeria, we have a rainfall, pressure, temperature, winds, light and temperature. The answer is rainfall. With good rain, there's tendency to get good produce. Number 11, Tarigia system is defined as system of managing tree crops, no. Felling of different forestry, no. That is deforestation. That is the art of planting both food crops and forest crops, yes, and forest trees. Number 11 is C. Let's go to number 12. Yep. Number 12 said the equipment in the figure below perform dash function as dash in farm surveying. That is the equipment there is a ranging pole. Yes, it functions as a ranging pole. Number 12 is A. Number 13, the term wither is used to describe young boar, castrated goat, hornless ram. Yes, hornless ram. 13 is C. 14, so the enzymes that act as milk in young ruminants is produced in the 14 is A, arbosium. 14 is A. 15, say the main reason government established Operation Feed the Nation program was to A, provide produce cash crop, increase food production. Yes, during Ambassador 10, Operation Feed first STEM, Operation Feed the Nation. Number 16, a poultry disease caused by fungi is called what? A poultry disease caused by fungi is coccidiosis, fowl pox, Newcastle, aspergillosis, D. 16 is D. 17, so which of the following processes does not lead to physical disintegration of rock? Physical disintegration of rock. Water can split rock into two. Heating and cooling of parent rock possible. Rapid cooling, yes. Evaporation of water on the rock surface, no. That has no effect at all. Zero effect. C. Number 18. So the management practice that is peculiar to pig production is a management practice that is peculiar to pig production. Removal of pigs, administration of iron distrand, administration of irregular vaccination, no. Adoption of hygienic practices, no. Identification of pigs with tattoos, no. The answer is C. No, I don't know. Answer is not C, it's B. 18 is B. 19. So which of the following is a disease of banana? Disease of banana, where mosaic, Trazza, Panama, dumping of cancer is Panama. 19 is C. Let's look at 20. Yep. So let's check number 20. We have the merits of using seed to propagate crop is that seeds are easy to treat against disease infection, and difficult to store for long periods. I think that is close. Produce offspring, produce offspring that can withstand unfavorable weather. Exactly. D. Number 21. Tree puller is referred to as bulldozer in land preparation because it's reduces topsoil disturbance and compaction, causes soil erosion and water, exposes the subsoil, Answer is A. 21 is A. 22. Orange frond disease of palm oil is caused by deficiency of dash in the soil of molybdenum, boron, manganese, zinc, magnesium. The answer is manganese. These are for macronutrients. A farmer who propagates his crop by binding the stalks and section together is said to have carried out 23 grafting, cutting body, answer is grafting. 23A. 24. The feature of elephant grass that make it suitable as pasture crops is, pasture crops that animals can eat, is A, long leaves, no. B, thick stalk, succulent root, no. Time's answer is B. 24 is B. 25. The term aggressiveness in pasture production means the ability of pasture to withstand drought, no. Grow luxuriantly, no. Regenerate after trampling, no. Compete with weed, yes. 25 is D. 26. See the method of restraining the animal in the figure is tied. You can see it's tied by the waist, by the midsection, the head, and back to the tail. Is drenching. B. 26 is B. 27. Pasture production is largely reduced by A, continuous grazing of land, irrigation of pasture land, sacrification of seed, availability of labor, no. Answer is A. 28. Lodging in crops can be attributed to excessive supply of A, zinc, phosphorus, calcium, nitrogen. E. Nitrogen. That is number 28. Look at 29. 29. It's a legume commonly found in natural grassland. A legume naturally found in natural grassland is Passion mazimum, Pansititium purpureum. The answer is B. The soil nutrient which forms a major consequence of plant protein and hormone is from plant nutrient and hormone. A nitrogen could be the answer. So no nitrogen, we go with sulfur. 31. So the major disadvantage of land tenure system by inheritance is that the land is available for permanent crop production. Cannot be used for agricultural purpose, no. Is subjected to litigation, no. It can be used as collateral. That's an advantage. Then it becomes fragmented over time. Yes, it can become fragmented over time because each family member may have different interests. Let me say my parts, let me build on it, things like that. Number 32. So which of the following diseases affects labor supply in agriculture? Disease that affect labor supply in agriculture. There is a disease that is related to human. It's pneumonia, which is A. It's pneumonia. So the people carry out labor in agriculture are humans, not animals. So which of the following weed is dispersed by explosive mechanism? This under dispersion. We have the Boveva diffuser, traders, no. So that is wind. The answer is A. Look at 34. Infestation of armyworm on soybean result in the destruction of nodes, stems, root, leaves. Answer is leaves. 35. Say a disadvantage of tethering goats near a farmland. Tethering goat near a farmland, about 35, is that the goats have limited access to variety of pasture, rapidly matured from different size, different family mates freely. It prone to wild animal attacks, damage plants if not properly supervised. Of course, course. E. Number 36, Galadima disease is transmitted in an oil palm plantation by Galadima is main box. Yeah. 36 is A. 37, a farm animal disease that results to adoption of pregnancy in cow, to lead to the abortion of pregnancy in cow. Animal disease. Number 37, we have brucellosis. Yes. A. Number 38. Say the following are methods of identification based on routine practices in cattle management. 38. Tattooing, that is correct. Branding, yes, that is correct. Tagging, that is correct. That is correct. The answer is C. We don't castrate animals to identify them. Let's go to 39. Yep. 39. Say the relationship between ribosome and root modulus of a leguminous plant is described as 39. Described as competition, no. Predation, no. Parasitism, no. No. The answer is symbiosis. E. 40. So which of the following set of industrial raw material is derived from agriculture? Industrial raw material that derived from agriculture. Timber, rice, palm fruit, and coconut. Yep. No need to read further. 40 is E. 41. So which of the following types has the highest percolation rate with low capillarity? With low capillarity. Tendency of liquid to rise or fall is sandy. Sandy has a low capillarity. When you pour water in sandy, absorb it all together. Let's look at 42 to 43. Now 42, he said the reason for adding lime water to the soil. Lime water is basic. You add it to the soil. Number one, is used to test for carbon dioxide. If you are a chemistry student, you know that to increase as to quicken production, to test for carbon dioxide in the soil. 43. You say the turning of lime water making in the soil indicate the presence of organic content is high. Yes, organic content matter is high. 44 said how many stands of yam are expected in the farm? I'm measuring this by this. So if I multiply 1 times 1, that will give us 1 meter square. I'm going to have 1 meter square. So 1250 times 1 divided by 1. This will cancel this. What left is 1250, which is A. Then number 45. Number 45. So which of the following is a good principle of farm stand planting erect? Residential houses close to the ranch? No. Livestock pens along wind direct? No. Fish pond on high? No. Farm office on high elevation? Of course. 45 is E. 46. Say the pond pollution caused by heavy application of fertilizer is just because A, result in death of, of course, way too much fertilizer. I've done fish farming. You should know the impacts of applying too much fertilizer. 47. We have maize, plot 1, plot 2, maize, rice, yam, cowpea, cassava, rice. Yeah, these are the crops involved. So let's go. So which of the following best described in the figure? Following described in the figure: cultivation of crops in definite sequence. Cultivation of particular species, no. Cultivation of crops is no. The answer is A. 47A. 48. So which of the following identification method is not suitable in pig production? Tagging, yes, you can tag your pigs. Branding, it's also similar to cow. Then notching, chaining, tattooing, similar to that of cow. Answer is D. Number 49. So when a ridge land shows a sign of drying off, which of the following method of improvement can be employed to regenerate it? 49. We have supplying, padlocking, reseeding. Yeah. 49 is C. Look at 50. Exposing farmers to new ideas and techniques is the responsibility of number 50. Responsibility of farm settlers, no, money lenders, no, research institution. Okay, no, the research is just pass information to the government, and government pass it to the extensions personnel. D. So the important effect of high relative humidity in piggery is that it 51. Reduce spread of disease, no. Increase body fat of pigs, increases pig visit, no. Let's go with the B. I'm not too sure, you can check that out. Number 52. The intention of a farmer who keep 1 male and 10 female animals together in a housing unit is to dash mating. 52 is to hand mating, artificial mating, head mating is hand mating. 52 is A. 53. Dipping of animal in acaricides solution help to control spread of dash in animal house. 53. Spread of ringworm, ticks, tapeworm, ticks. They stick to the body of animals. 54. So which of the following is a feature of artery? Artery help to transport oxygen in the body, transport blood and oxygen. Number 1 is a feature of artery, help transport blood under low pressure, yes. Number 55. Dissemination of new ideas and techniques to farmers can only be effective if agricultural extension officer A gives farmer all the needed equipment, no. Work with existing community organizations and locals leaders, that would be nice. Give only financial, no. Stay permanently in the village, no. The answer is B. 56. Crop productivity can improve through the following practices. Crop productivity can improve through the following practices. 56. We have good soil tillage practice, fertilizer application, continuous cropping, improve, except continuous cropping might kill the nutrient of the soil. As a crop rotation might kill the nutrient of the soil. 57. See, free range system of poultry management is referred to as semi-extensive system because it A. Making cooling of unproduced eggs easier, leading to constant production of fertile eggs, require less take-off capital, required to discriminate meat on. Okay, answer is A. 58. The difference between subsidy and loan is that subsidy is a short-term credit. No. Result to increase the price of no. Require collateral no. It's not refundable, yes, while loan is refundable. We do not refund subsidy. It does not even concern us. We just enjoy the benefits. Which of the following statements about crop rotation is not correct? 59 is not correct. A includes a period of fallow, encourage build-up of crop disease, allow planting of crops, no, minimize the exposure of farmland to soil erosion, no, answer is B. And 60, dipping of animal in aka is tick. Now you repeat this question again. Tick. 60 is A. So this is the first section of the agriculture. So we're going to be looking at the second section, which is the theory.